Here we go, the roll. This is our Philly Steak Kit proprietary roll. This is what the industry calls a par baked product. This is a partially baked, and then it is flash frozen, finished bake at home product. We are using a standard 13 by 18 inch baking sheet. The rolls will come to you cut just like this. You arrange them on a sheet, whether you're going to cook 2, 1, 4. It's going to go into a 425 degree oven on convection bake, 6, 7, maybe 8 minutes, depending on your oven. All ovens are a little bit different. You want to keep that rack right in the middle. And once these brown up to a beautiful, even color brown, they are done. They are perfect golden brown. Let them cool for about 15 minutes and you're ready to go. All right, cutting our rolls. We're going to use a serrated bread knife. Basically, the only portion of the knife that you're going to be using here with this is the top quarter. You don't want to cut through the back of the roll, so you want to kind of limit to your top quarter of the knife. Lay your roll down. If you're right-handed like myself, you're going to pick the knife, hold it. You're going to start at the top, and you're just going to use, again, the top quarter, and you're just going to draw the knife back, one motion, through the back of the end of the roll. Open, beautiful cut, nice even, top to bottom.